Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Bluey and a T-Rex as one character. It's going to be simple and easy. Let's get into it right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey mixed with a T-Rex. So let's get started. Stay all the way to the very end of the video so you can learn the whole thing. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to start with top part of Bluey's snout, curved at an angle, back underneath, pull up, curve right here for the smile area of Bluey. By the way, I'm really sick, so I'm, just letting you know that. I'm doing this while I'm sick, so be it. Curve line underneath, pull up, and let's do inside the mouth right here. Give him some sharp teeth, right? Very T-Rex. Go to the end of the nose, pulling down, pull up, curve over here, fill it out. Pulling up, curve, down, curve underneath, up. Over here, here's the other eye, down right there. Circle for the eye. Circle for the eye right here. Down right here. And we're going to pull back. We're going to, start incorporating the T-Rex part. Well, right here we're going to go to the eyebrow, which looks like a macaroni. Same thing over here. Eyebrow looks like a macaroni. And we're going to put a flat part of the head. Blue's got a very flat head. Right there. Curve down to the back, but we're not going to go all the way down because he's going to have a little bit of a T-Rex body. Out over here, down, angle over here, down for the ears, up over here, angle back, up over here, angle back. Alright, let's get into the T-Rex portion more. Curve. Line over here for the tail. Pulling back over here. Line down out for the arm. Line down here out for the arm. Right there you have the edge of the arm right there. Back for the arm kind of connecting. Curve for the leg, pulling in. Curve over here, back over here. And let's continue the tail around this end. Line underneath right here to find kind of the stomach area. Down. Line over here, down over here. Like so. Let's go over here to find, let's put a shadow for the other arm over there. In the back side right there. And we're gonna fill this in. So let's draw a little bit more to the stomach here and draw a little shadow right there as well. Maybe a little dark underneath here. We're probably adding a little bit dark maybe because the T-Rex elements are, I would say, can be really strong. I mean, we can even put like dark in this area a little bit right here more. So let's draw the kind of the shadow of the colored patterns that are Bluey related. So curve right here. Please tell me what you would call this dinosaur, or what would you call this character? Put it in the comments right now. Pause the video and comment below, or you can just comment below without even pausing. Just what would you call this character? This mixture of Bluey and a T-Rex. Let's go over here to the front. Curve right here. Trying to make that line as thin as I can. Curve around the corner here, underneath. And there's a little bit of a double line for that. Some dots in the back right here. Curve. Curve. And maybe a difference in color over here, which is more of a same thing over here on the leg, and same thing over here on the arm area. I guess what we could do too is draw the other leg, like let's say in the back right here, like a shadow of it. And we could fill that in, right? Like it makes it look a little bit more dimensional to have him just stand there. Don't forget to hit the like. I am sick while I'm doing this. I hope that earns some little, you know, it's hard to do these while I'm sick. It really is, honestly. It's not like super hard or anything, but it's definitely tougher than normal to do this while I'm sick. But yeah, I would appreciate it. If not, I understand. If not, I understand. Curve over here. Also, color change around the stomach. We can throw one more over here, honestly, for the Bluey. The Bluey stuff. Line over here. And let's see what else we could do. You know, when we kind of look at this character, we're like, what are some little minor details we could do? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I am, you know, I think I'm pretty close to. Am I gonna get near another level there? I forget. All right. Line over here. Curve over here. Curve over here at the shoulder. Just drawing little nicks right here. Maybe the muscle. But these are all extras. You don't really have to do this. But it just kind of makes things look a little bit better sometimes. So you know, you always want to kind of do that. Curve right here, curve right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I hope you had a great time doing this. What I want you to do, I want you to stick around, okay? Number one, go download the free Godzilla ebook. Do that. Number two, it's going to be in the comments. It's going to be in the description somewhere. Number two, you know, say what's up. You know, say what's up to me in the comments. Actually, if you really want the ebook, just tell me in the comments and I'll put the link for you, okay? That's what I'm going to do. So say, hey, it's basically a free ebook on how to draw Godzilla's face. So tell me and I'll give you the link. All right. Talk to you next time. Stay for the next lesson.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.